What's good, YouTube? Your boy Dyna Breed. Today we got a 2017 Dyna Lowrider S Fxdls. We're gonna go over it, tell you the mods that have been done on it. So let's get into it. So guys, as I said before, we got a 2017 Dyna Lowrider S. We're gonna do a quick rundown through all the mods that are done on this. We have a bar change to an 8-inch riser. I forget that the bars, I think these might actually be Lucky 13s, Lucky Daves, whatever they are. He has some aftermarket levers, some aftermarket grips. He's got his ducky. He has the directional relocation brackets, factory directionals, factory lights. He does have an aftermarket LED headlight. He's got the front axle covers, stock brakes. He does have a little damage on it here and there, just because he does stunt this. He was doing a roll and burnout and it washed out and it fell over. So as we work our way back, he did do the mirror flip. He's got some aftermarket pegs. There's something special about that lever right there, and I'm gonna tell you a little more about it. He is running the factory shocks in the back. He does have this Saddleman seat. He's got this kick-ass glow-in-the-dark Simpson helmet. He did flip his license plate. That's actually an option that comes from the factory. He's got these extensions because he does have a sissy bar. He does ride with his daughter on the bike periodically, so he can take his sissy bar on and off. Got the matching shifter with the matching head combo. He's got the phone mount. He's got a Deadbeat Customs bag. One thing I did miss was he does have the TBR Comp 2 pipe also. He also has the Big Bear front motor mount, which is pretty easy to install. He's also waiting on a Bung King crash bar for the front. So guys, this lever is actually for reverse.
One-of-a-kind Lowrider S right there.
It's a one-of-a-kind Lowrider S. It does have all 6 speeds and it does have reverse. So that's pretty cool, and we're gonna demonstrate a little bit for you. So explain to me how it goes in the reverse. Is there like a special method that you gotta do?
You gotta be in neutral.
All right.
It's not happy about it.
All right.
And you just push down, pop it in. It won't go in now because it's in a weird spot.
Yep.
Just pops it in.
Yep.
And then leave it in neutral. Pop it out. You're good to go.
Sick. And then you can put it in first and go forward.
Yep.
Sick. So guys, there we have it. Tom's 2017 Fxdls and the mods that he has done to it. There'll be a lot more mods coming on this thing, so you guys stay tuned. We'll keep you updated on the mods that are done. So yeah, subscribe, hit that like button. Peace out.